truth of mine and never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now.
Oh, hey guys. Sorry, I just listened to my Daily Beebs song. Speaking of the one, all right, I want us to graph the one and only point and then use the slope to generate a nice line. Hope you guys liked that transition. That was a little tough. But hey, we're going to be doing some graphing today. Very easy. So the lesson is on graphing lines using slope. And all we're going to do is plot a point, a singular point, the one, and graph the slope. All right, guys. So let's start with the first example, okay? It's giving me a point 0, 3. So all I'm going to do is plot that point. So 0, 3 is on the y-axis right here. Now the slope is 2. I want to write these slopes as fractions because remember, slopes are rise over run. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go up 2, and positive 1 means I'm going to go right 1. So I'm going to go up 2, right 1, and draw a point. Up 2, right 1, draw a point. Up 2, right 1, draw a point. I could go in the opposite direction and go down to left 1 if I wanted to, down and left. Because as you can see, it still continues the line. And then this is not as nice because it's not notability, but I have a nice line right there. And I could clean it up by erasing that staircase. So you guys can do that as well. It's just kind of erase the staircase, erase the case. And then you will be done. Okay, let's go on to the next, guys. Let's see. We have a point at -4, positive 1. So -4, 1 is this point right here. And the slope is -1/2. Okay, so I'm going to put the negative with just the top. You get to choose. You can put it with just the top or just the bottom, but not both. You have to pick one or the other. So this is going to go down 1, right 2, because the 2 on the bottom is still positive. So we're going down 1, right 2, and putting a new point. Down 1, right 2, new point. It's kind of hard on this app to draw because I can't zoom in as nicely. So bear with me. Down 1, right 2, new point. Down 1, right 2. And as long as you get about 6 or 7 dots, I'll be good. Let's do the next one. All right, the point is 1, 0. Remember, x comma y, so I'm at 1 on the x, 0 on the y. Rate of change is 1/3. So that's up 1 and right 3. Up 1, right 1, 2, 3. Put a new dot. Up 1, 1, 2, 3. New dot. Up 1, right 1, 2, 3. There we go. You could go in the other direction. Down 1, left 1, 2, 3. Down 1, left 1, 2, 3. All right, and this is kind of not steep, but there's that line. So that's all we're doing. Let's go on to the next examples. Okay, so we have 0, 4, slope of 0. Ooh, slope of 0. What does that mean? Guys, this is a horizontal line. Remember, slope of 0 is horizontal, undefined is vertical. So if the point is 0, 4, that's this point, and it's just a horizontal line right through that. Nice and quick. The next problem, 3, 6, with a slope of -2/3. So that's -2 over 3. So that's down 2, right 3. Okay, let's plot the point. 3, 6. Down 2. 1, 2, right 1, 2, 3. Down 2, right 1, 2, 3. And there's that line. On notability, you can make your lines much prettier and straight. Last example on this page. We have -5, 0. Slope is undefined. This is a vertical line. Remember, undefined is vertical. So negative 5, 0, put a dot there, and just draw a vertical line through that. There we go. And we're going to move on to the next. This is a little bit different. This is actually not bad at all. We're just going to plot the given points. If we want to, we can determine the slope and build more of the staircase. So for my first example, let's plot these points. Negative 2, 5, negative 2, up 5, and positive 2, up 1, 2, 3. So what I can see is that the slope is down 1, 2, right 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 2, right 4. And if I want to continue that, I can. Down 2, right 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 2, right 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! And the next one, 1, 1, and 2, 2. So the slope between these ones is up 1, right 1. So I can continue that. Up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. And just draw a line that way. Oops, I didn't make it exactly straight, but you guys get the idea. And last one, 0, 0, negative 2, negative 1. Negative 2, negative 1. So this slope is up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. So just continue it. Up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. And there we go. Beautiful. Last stuff. Here we go. Negative 3, and 1, negative 2. Negative 3, negative 3. Positive 1. Remember, it's x, y, so positive 1, negative 2. And let's see what the slope is. Up 1, right 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, right 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, right 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we have our beautiful line. Uh-oh. Let's try that again. There we go. All right, a couple more and we're done for the day. So we got 2, 6, negative 2, 4. So this slope is up 1, 2, right 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 2, right 1, 2, 3, 4. My lines are not looking pretty, guys. I like perfectly straight lines in Notability, so please be drawing nice straight lines in Notability. Last one. Negative 1, negative 4. And negative 1, positive 1. Uh-oh. These are on the same vertical line, so this is just an undefined slope vertical line. Beautiful. All right, that's it. So the lesson was really quick today. You guys are going to spend the rest of the period just doing the homework. And I think you guys can get it done before the end. Have a good Monday, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.